Hi everyone. Today we're going to make Avengers Ice Cubes. If you're wondering where to get these, you get them at Walmart in the gelatin section. So our dad put food coloring in our bowls. And now we're going to add water. Now help me, Dad. So we have to slowly do it first.
Good job. You want to do it slow so it doesn't spill, right?
This already looks like Spider-Man. Hey, Dad, this already looks like Spider-Man. Whoa! That already looks like Spider-Man.
Sweet.
Now I'm making orange.
And we don't want to overflow it.
That'd be bad. I think I have to mix it because
Hats, fill it up.
I wanted to make it.
No, you're good.
Well, it's orange, but it's red here and it's orange over there.
Yeah, we mixed a bunch of colors together to try to make different colors, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll keep filling up and we'll check back in a minute.
So our molds are done, and now we're gonna put them in the freezer. And we're gonna come check on them in like about 30 minutes. Bye. Bye. It's ready. So now we're gonna dump them out like this, then blink. Oh my gosh. Hulk! Black Panther looks cool. Look at my Black Panther. He has like a Jordan! Whoa, you look so cool. My ice. I'm gonna put it in. Mom.
Awesome.
Oh, it's turning it green.
Do one at a time. Which one are you going to put in first, Hats?
So I did this one.
Hulk.
Whoa. I did Hulk. All right, and now Black
We
Panther.
got Iron Man, Spidey, Thor. Okay, just do one.
Oh, too late. I mean black. Water, that's cool. I added Black Panther. Every single one. Look, he's turning blue. That's so cool. We got glasses to show you all the different colors. So my Spidey is having water. My water turned orange, and Captain America is turning my water blue. And my Spidey is turning it blue. What are you gonna put in the next hat?
Here.
Wait, Captain
That's a
America.
cool Captain America star.
Yeah, mine.
Put that one in.
Not Captain America. Where?
Right here.
So now
Oh, purple.
the purple. Oh, it feels so cool.
Take a drink.
Okay. Well,
The best part is just water. Now you got cool ice water. Regular ice is boring.
it's not really cold. Dad, can I do it now? It's not really cold. Oh, look, Spidey's face is gone. Spidey's face. Spidey's face is gone. I see my stars. Whoa, come on. Should I bite it? Should I bite it?
Sure.
Dad. Yummy.
Let me see your face. Yummy.
I have an idea. So we got more glasses to show you all the colors. Now we are gonna put them in the line. Whoa, mine's making like dark orange. See, mine's if you mix. So put them in the order, Jordan. It goes. Mine's like making dark. See you next time. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.